nephews. Today I am babysitting, but I have no excuse to say I'm not going to work out. So I'm here to encourage you mothers. You know, here in UK, it's half term, kids at home. Don't start home. Come on, take your kids to the park and work out with them. So today we are working on the entire body. This is cardio. And we are jumping around with Azaria. Elisha is there playing with his ball. And I'm keeping an eye on all of them as I work out. Come on, mothers. No excuse. Are you enjoying yourself, Azaria?
Yeah.
See? Yeah. Elisha is there as well. Moms, you can do it. You know? Come on, learn how to share Azaria. Okay. We are jumping. Woo, this is fun. Yeah. Moms, let's fight obesity. Look good, moms. You can do it. Eat healthy. Cook veggies for your kids. Give them salads. Give them fruits. Please don't take them to eat fast foods. Okay. This is amazing. I love it. My heart rate is up. Are you done, Azaria? Yeah. Okay, let me jump myself now. Moms.
Bye-bye. I'm going to play.
This is a good cardio. Go to the park and jump around. Jump around. It's working on my entire body. Okay. I think now we can go and do another exercise on our step. Okay. Wow, my heart rate is up. We are going to use this step. If you don't have a step, I will show you different alternatives. Okay, here we go. Jump. Make sure when you are landing, you bend a bit so you don't put pressure on your knees. The kids are there having fun. Moms, you can do it. If you don't have a step, don't worry. You can't say sorry, Pastor J or Josephine, I can't work out. You can still okay, I'm going to show you another type of exercise. Moms, you cannot give excuse. Even dads, if you are at home, seated there, please don't bore your kids. Go in the park and work out with them. So we are going to work on the legs. Okay? You swing around the leg. You are working on the calves. And a bit of a squat. I love this. Remember, you have to do a proper squat. Okay, I'm going to show you an alternative now. You don't have a step. Azaria, are you having fun? Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay. This is for those who don't have a step. You swing your leg around. Okay? And imagine you are drawing a circle. The same circle. Alright, remember to stretch out and to stretch afterwards. Yes, your ball. Your ball. He's crying for his ball. Elisha, are you happy? Yes, we are working out. Okay. You can do the step again. Those of you that are working on the step. My heart rate is up. I don't even know what Elisha is telling me. Elisha is saying something.
Mommy, you come and carry
Okay, this is fun. Seriously, guys, God work out. So if you get bored of that, you can run. You can run. All these are exercises. Can you imagine? Even doing this is an exercise. And the kids are having fun. Isn't it, kids? Elisha, all this is a workout. See? I'm working my legs and my arms at the same time. If you don't want to run. Okay, here we go. You don't have to say, oh, where will I leave the kids? Someone, a stranger might take them. No. Imagine I'm here keeping an eye on the kids as I work out. If you can't afford to go to the gym, there's free parks around. Okay. Now, if you can't run, you can do a brisk walk. No excuse. Brisk walk. Huh.